Many entrepreneurs and professionals come to me and say, Mohammed, we have created the company, we have the products, but we are missing something. We have a problem in growing the business, customer cannot find us, and we sometimes have delays in our sales process, and our goals are far from being reached. I often sit down with these motivated people and ask them a simple question. What is your vision? Do you have a clear vision that allows you to define the time-bound goals and a strategy to achieve them? You cannot walk in the dark without having a destination, without having landmarks to see your progress. I believe that success lies in the combination of four main principles, which I like to call the square of success. First, a clear vision. Second, define your long-term goals. Third, create a strategy in line with previous principles and market data. And fourth, leadership. You need to guide, federate, and manage the teams around the common projects, which is known other than the development of the company and its sustainability. In this way, I support my customer through strategy, leadership, management, and marketing consulting, whether they are large international companies or startups at the early stages. I organize and participate in seminars, conferences, and workshops as a consultant, coach, and trainer with the purpose of allowing those who create value every day to do it better.